Alright, afternoon again. It's actually still Saturday. Just finished up uploading last week's video, and I thought I'd just take the rest of the day off, but then I realized, like, I'm on a tight schedule. I gotta finish this project before the end of the month, hopefully, and then I gotta move on to the next project. Keep up with what our plans for 2024. So I can't really sit down and rest. So I'm just gonna get back at it and do as much as I can before the sun goes down. It's close to 3 o'clock, so I got maybe 2 hours. So hopefully I get every cut and leveled, and then I'll be able to burn everything and stick everything back on. So everything will be nice and in place for me to start building. I'm gonna start burning. So yeah, so since I don't have to level out the other boards, I'm just gonna take them off, start burning them so they get preserved. Okay, that took a long time. Thought this board was pretty dead and dry for a while, but I guess there's still a lot of moisture, unless it's been soaking up a lot of moisture from all the rain. But some of the parts are still not burning at all because there's so much moisture coming out of it. I hope it's not gonna be like that for everybody. Alright, I'm gonna let that cool off. I'm gonna get another board and get started on it. Alright, this isn't happening. Okay, this burning process is just taking just ridiculously amount of time. I have it just sitting in a fire that I made to keep warm, but it's hard to keep that fire going because everything is wet and frozen. So I'm just gonna let it sit there and just smolder, and it's doing the same thing. It's burning the wood. I got that one piece in there. That's all been burnt. This piece right here goes to the front door right there, so I'm just waiting for it to, burn a little bit more, and I'll stick it in. But for right now, I'm just gonna work on leveling out the 3 back posts to one level so I could put a board on top of that. So my back corner post is the shortest. It's a little over 6 feet tall, that one right there. So from there, I'm just gonna level over and cut those back boards to the same height. Yeah, once you figure out how to use this thing, that's pretty good. I just went through that piece of wood. That's my fist. Yeah, I went through that without much trouble. You just need to work with it, not against it. I've been pushing too hard, but if you just kind of let it slowly, works pretty good. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about this is I constantly have to oil it to keep it running smooth. Alright, just gotta make sure I don't lose track of it and just end up burning the whole thing away. Alright, let's see if I can find a board that is like a reach all the way across. if this one's big enough. Oh, yeah. That works pretty darn well all the way across. I'm gonna screw it on so it doesn't fall off. I'm gonna come back and make sure I put longer screws from the top into the board, but that's just to hold it from falling on me while I'm working on it. All right, the next piece I need to work on is finding a board that goes from right here, or should I go from the top of that, butts into that, and goes across into here. Probably these two boards will be good enough. Ah, it's burning up. Since I have left it long, I've got a little bit of room, so I'm gonna notch out a little section so I can slip the board into it, and then it'll be nice type of mark. I hope you guys got all that. Whew. In my eyeballs. That's a good notch. All right, gonna feel a lot much better once I have the long 12-inch screws to go into those. I gotta bring it out this way just a little bit so the plywood goes right up against that. All right, next piece on. Okay, hopefully that actually burns. I don't know about this piece gonna burn or not. It's probably too wet. I'll turn around and this whole thing will be a blaze. Watch. All right, next piece. Gonna switch batteries on my little chainsaw and then I'll be I tell you, I forgot all about it. It's on fire. All right, that should give me some time. I'll be right back. Like a glove. That fit in nice and tight. I gotta work on removing some of these notches so the plywood will fit perfectly. Move it over to the edge so when I get plywood on it, it's just nice and flush. Perfect. All right, that's coming together. The next one will be from, since the middle post is the shortest post in the front, I will put a level from the middle post to both corner posts and level it, and pretty much do the same thing I did on the back post. Find a post that will reach all the way across, and that will almost be there. That's burning. Zoinks. All right, calm down. Calm down. Everything's all right. Whew. Okay. Zoinks. I guess I will cut it off here.